Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will find the duplicate values and remove duplicate values in a dataset. For example, we have this dataset and we would like to find the duplicate values, the duplicate rows in this dataset, and we will remove them. So how to do it? So let's apply. First of all, select your range that you want to find the duplicate values inside that. After selecting that, move to Home tab. In the Home tab, conditional formatting. In the conditional formatting, come here to the new rules. We would like to find duplicate rows. But if you want to find duplicate values, so for duplicate values, just come here to the highlight cell rules and come here to the duplicate values. So it will find all the duplicate values for you. But we would like to find the duplicate rows. So for the duplicate rows, we will come here to new rule. And then come here to use a formula to determine which cells to format, and here we will write our formula. The formula is equal to COUNTFS. COUNTFS. Open the bracket and after that select this. Okay, we don't want to find based on the ID because the ID is unique. As we see, we want to find in name, department and salary. So select B2 to B30. B2, come here down to B31. Okay, look at this. After selecting that, comma, and then we will select the B2, the first cell of our data set. After selecting that, we will just press F4. After pressing F4, it means that we will place the $sign just before column, not before row. Okay, the column is fixed with us, not row. Comma, then we will select department from C2 to C31, and comma, then we will select C2 and we will just make the column fixed, comma, then salary, comma, D2, just make the column fixed. Close the parenthesis and write greater than 1. So what does this mean? The COUNTF will check these three columns, name, department, salary. If every one of them was repeated 2 times or more than 1 times, so it is dealt as duplicate value. It means it check the column. If the value was greater than 1, it means it was appeared 2 times or 3 times, so that is a duplicate value with us. It will just format that. So now let's apply format on that. We will just apply fill a yellow color, press OK and press OK. So look at, we have just selected those like John Doe HR 5000. Just come here to John Doe where we can find, look at John Doe HR 5000. It is John Doe HR 3 times it is repeated this row. Also these other rows are duplicated values. Now how to remove these duplicate values? So to remove the duplicate values, again select your range and move to data tab. In the data tab, come here to the data tools group and here you will see remove duplicates. After pressing that, here columns, we want to check name, department and salary, not ID. So we will uncheck ID and also remember to check my data has header, this checkbox. That is okay, and press OK. I think we didn't select, yeah, that is okay. Just come here and uncheck ID and that has ID, press OK. So Control A. So yeah, just come here and ID, we should uncheck the ID. My data has header, name, department, salary, that is okay, press OK. That is okay. Look at the ID, we uncheck the ID, so we removed 16 duplicate value found and removed 14 unique values remains. It means 16 found, 14 are remained. Okay, so it has removed all the duplicate rows and we have just the unique value now, like a John Doe just once. It was all about how to find duplicate values in a data set and remove them.